Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are here at Knott's Berry Farm. We're here for a short trip. I'm here with my sisters, so we might do some rides, but also I'm here to just see if there's any new updates. So come along and let's go. Is there any rides that you want to do today? What's on your list?
The log ride. The
log ride? Okay, we gotta see. Hopefully the line isn't packed already. The benefit of coming in the morning. There's no line. Alright, who do you think sat in front? I need to take a beat and clean these glasses, but again, that ride is so fun. Unfortunately, you can't really film inside. So the last few times I went on that ride, I was recording. And for some reason, the rides are less scary, when you're looking through the camera. But today I was scared. It was dark in there, wasn't it? And it felt like the water levels were high, we're gonna tip. Of course we're not, but it was fun. I miss being on the log ride. I haven't done it since I think Halloween. We came for a scary farm update for Origins, Curse of Calico, but they put up this black wall. Like I said before, Knott's Berry Farm is a little more secretive, so you can't see too much, but I just wanted to come and check it out. And a reminder, they still have Scary Farm passes for sale. The payment plan expired, but if you want to pay in full and get your Scary Farm pass, it is going to be the 50th anniversary, so everyone is hoping that it's going to be awesome. Alright, I have a question for you. Have you ever rang the doorbell at the Blind Tiger?
No.
No? Alright, you're gonna do it today. It hadn't been working for around 2 months, but it's back. So, let's go ring that doorbell. So if you are interested in ringing the doorbell, here it is at the Blind Tiger. Don't worry, it's not a jump scare. It's just like a little doorbell.
How many times have I told you not to ring that bell? You gotta give the secret knock.
At least they were nicer to you. Last time, they were a little mean to me, but let me try.
Hey, Benny, someone's at the door. Who do you think it could be? How should I know? Use the peephole. Well, who is it? I don't know. It's somebody wearing one of the ugliest outfits I ever seen. Give compliments to face. Perfect.
I knew
Go away.
it. They always hurt my feelings at the Blind Tiger. At least yours was nice for your first introduction. Walking to the boardwalk, hoping that pastries and roasts will be open when I'm here. Still not open. I don't know if they just opened it for a limited time, but I still want to try a coffee and a cookie. Alright, so a lot of the Sanrio characters are gone, but they did get ramen, the Kool-Aid Man, so they still have some, but a lot of them are gone. So like I mentioned in my last video, they did get in the part for Accelerator. They said sometime by the end of this summer it should be operating, so every time I come I just look to see if anyone's working on it or any signs. They're currently doing some more work on this sign. Hopefully they'll be done soon and these walls will be down and we can see this sign in all its glory. Alright, Fiesta Village has a new sign, so if you're looking for some show times, make sure to look right over here so you can see. Also, the stage has some new floral. It is a hot day and we wanted lunch, so I'm gonna bring my sister to Casa, California. Last time we came it was super packed, but if you eat it early, the line is not bad at all. So she got the carne asada burrito. I went with the carnitas bowl again. So again, the carnitas is super flavorful. And I love that green chili they add on top. It's so good. We are sharing some choco flan. You never had flan, right? No. Okay, go ahead and try it. It's flan on top and chocolate at the bottom. What do you think?
That's good.
It's good, right? Choco flan is good. It's nice and sweet with the caramel and the chocolate cake. Recommend this. So far, I really do recommend trying this place when you're in Knott's. It was a great addition. But just to let you know, Papas Mexicanas is still closed. But once that opens up, hopefully they'll have some stuff for the meal plan and we'll definitely be trying that as well. So last time in my last video, I did mention that I hope they brought Mariachi Snoopy for a meet and greet. And over the weekend and week, I did see online, people did post photos that he was meeting with guests. I was hoping he was gonna be out today, but right now there's no characters out. So that's one of my goals. I want to meet Mariachi Snoopy. So hopefully next time I come, he's out. Since we're here, I wanted to check in, just see if there's been any progress, any movement for Montezuma. Let's go check through these little holes. So nothing too crazy, but it looks like they did lay down some tarps. So that is some movement. We'll definitely be coming back and checking in to see if there's anything else. Both of these attractions in Camp Snoopy are currently down. So just a little FYI. This is always a good little roller coaster for first timers. We are headed into this little cave in Camp Snoopy. We're gonna go on the little bridge. All right, here's this unstable bridge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm gonna sink. Ah! This is always a fun time in Camp Snoopy. Just come on that little shaky bridge. I got a little nervous. All right, we're gonna go meet Snoopy and Pigpen. Ready to go take some photos? Hi, Snoopy. All right, let me get a photo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Pigpen. It's nice to see you out. Woo. Can we get a photo? Okay, Nani. Okay, ready? Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, looks like another attraction here in Camp Snoopy is down. The little mailbox. So if you're coming soon with your little kiddos, just to let you know, some attractions are not up right now. But we'll definitely be back next week just to see if it's up and running, or I'll let you know when it is. This is also one that I really used to enjoy when I was younger. I used to love that mailbox. I have photos of me that look like the oldest kid on it, honestly. But I gotta say, I was a little taller for my age at that point. Everyone's feet don't touch the ground, but mine did. So I just came to see if we could see anything for this maze over here where Pumpkin Eater used to be. But again, this is gonna be a new one, and we still have no announcement. But of course, we gotta come and get a peek. So I went at Cordy's Corner, no new merch. So now let's hoping Camp Snoopy has some. Right, so I was looking for new merch in here. I couldn't find much, but I did notice this. How cute! I've never seen these before. They might have had them, but they look new to me, and they're bell, and they have a little bow. Like, I love like this little sparkly pink bow. What's also cute is that Belle is actually wearing one as well. These are so cute, and again, for only $14.99. Oh my goodness. I love them. I've also never really seen this little Woodstock plush. So we decided we're gonna get on the train to end our little day here in the park. One of my favorite things to do. I love riding on the train.
You folks, what you pointing at me? You pointing something at me? I can post from that YouTuber I watch back. If you're putting me on a water post, better get my good stuff.
I'm trying to get some Knott's Scary Farm update, but nothing yet. Oh, let's see. Anything? Look at this view. It's a beautiful day. It is on the warmer side, don't get me wrong, but everything just looks so nice. Looks like they're setting up a little more props for Mesmer. They always have this one up like year round, but there's definitely more props out right now. Oh, there's something on the track, a ride vehicle. Probably always been there. I haven't been on this in a while, but it's exciting to see. All right, so that is gonna do it here today from Knott's Berry Farm. There wasn't a ton of updates, but we did have a nice time. We went on some rides, but again, you're not really allowed to film on the rides for Knott's, so this is a short video, but hopefully when we come back next week, there'll be some more updates. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!